Adrian Tate, and I'm going to do a live demonstration of the Adaptiv MyConnect solution. So firstly, I'm going to log in to MyConnect. It remembers my username from previously. So there I am, I'm logged into MyConnect now. I'm going to click on this cog symbol, and you can see here that I'm working off just one internet link at the moment, which is a Wi-Fi link to my home broadband router and out to the internet. Now the link is enabled. It could be disabled, which means that the link would not be used by MyConnect, or it could be set to the backup link if we had more than one link from my home office. There's also two additional switches here. One is connection optimisation, and that is to improve the quality of the network links from my home office. This is using a technique called forward error correction, whereby any dropped packets are replaced with duplicate packets, and this is particularly useful for real-time applications like voice and video to ensure the quality of those apps. The internet optimization is where we can use packet steering based on the quality of the multiple links that are being utilized, and also to have seamless failover between links when the primary link fails. You'll notice here that I'm on version 1.1.4 and I'm up to date with the version releases. If I wasn't, then this would be telling me this to update, and all I would have to do is click on that and MyConnect would automatically download the latest release. And then finally, we do have some logs here for doing IT troubleshooting if necessary. So if I just click on there, you will see that there's a whole raft of logs here that can be reviewed if there's been any sorts of technical issues. So that's the dashboard of MyConnect. What I want to do now is to plug in my 4G router, which is connected to the EE network. So I've just plugged that in now using a USB-C cable. It can take about 10 to 15 seconds, although that was very quick this time for it to establish that there is a second link. So now we're in the situation where we have my Wi-Fi broadband as my primary link, and we have a 4G backup link out to an EE mobile network. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate the Wi-Fi going down on me and failing over to the 4G router. So I'm just going to disconnect my Sky broadband. The Sky broadband, you'll see immediately that MyConnect detects that the broadband has gone down and that we're now working entirely off the 4G Ethernet linked out to the EE mobile network. And you shouldn't have heard too much of a blip in my voice or my video when that transition was made. So now we're working directly over 4G, and I'm going to reconnect my Wi-Fi and we'll see what happens then. So the Sky broadband is reconnected. MyConnect has established that. It's recognized that that is back in play, and we're now back to using two links, the Wi-Fi one and the Ethernet one. I'm now going to just make the 4G backup link enabled so that we have active. And so now MyConnect will make the decisions as to which link to send the packets over based on the quality of that link. And I believe the metrics that it's looking at are latency, packet loss, and jitter. So I'm now sharing my data across two links. And that is MyConnect. Thank you and goodbye.